Today we will be demonstrating how to replace text in Magic ETL in Domo. This video is one of many helpful tutorials in our Magic ETL playlist. Be sure to check it out after this video to learn more about Domo. The first step to replacing text in columns is ensuring that you have an input dataset. Without an input dataset, we will have no data to reference and replace. Under the Text Actions section on the left-hand menu of your screen, you will find the Replace Text tile. Drag that tile onto your canvas. Connect your Replace Text tile to your Input Dataset tile. In this example, we will be selecting the animal type column to search. We want to find the term cat and replace the found term with the text feline. Now we will want to create an output dataset for this change to reside. Let's see how this looks in our data. As you can see, we have replaced any value called cat from our original column with the new value of feline. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to Arigato Analytics for more tips for Domo users.